Hi everyone, I've got some quick and easy crafts for you today. This is just Dollar Tree frames and they're 5x7s. I also am going to paint them, as you can see. Something quick and easy. I also have one of their gift bags that I'm going to cut to put inside the frame. And you're not going to be using the glass, so go ahead and put the glass aside. These make great Christmas presents. They're quick and easy. They don't take a lot of time, so you can definitely get some of these done and hand them out to your friends, your family, anybody that does some services for you, like your hairdresser, your mail delivery person. I'm using my dryer tool just to dry the paint so I can keep moving on. I'm using my glue stick to glue the sheet that I got from the bag, and I'm gluing it to the back of the frame that came with the frame. I got these cute little Christmas trees that were the ornaments from Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1, which makes this pretty cheap. But they're absolutely so cute. I'm using the Jingle Bell wrap for it. I'm doing just the edge of it so it looks like it's got a trunk to it. There was just a little bit of wire that was hanging there and I just cut it off. Now I'm just going to glue it onto my little back of the frame. And I've got some little Christmas decor items that I got from Hobby Lobby. And they were 50% off, so I think they were probably $1.50 or $2. And you get 12 of them, which makes it nice. I'm using the little tiny wreath and I'm cutting the little string off of it. And I'm going to add that to the top of my tree. Then you're just going to put it back in the frame. And you'll take the little wire pins and close them so it does not fall out. And there it is. How cute is that? This turned out so cute. Quick and easy. Probably cost $2 to make. DIY number 2 is also another frame. And I got this box of Christmas cards. It's a Santa. I had this gold frame that came from Dollar Tree this past summer. It's a 5x7. I'm not going to do much to the frame. I'm not going to paint it because it's really a pretty gold. And Christmas time, you have a lot of sparkles and golds and silvers. So I thought this would be just a quick and easy one. I put the card inside the frame. I closed it back up. And look how cute this is. It's a great Santa. I'm using Dollar Tree's little bows. And I also am going back to use my little Christmas decors from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to cut off the little tag. I'm going to glue my little bow to the frame. And there you have it. A quick and easy Christmas present. Look how cute that is. I love the way this one turned out. And you could just put this in some of your Christmas decor. DIY number 3 is also another frame because this DIY is all about frames and how quick and easy you can make these. This one I have some foam board and I'm cutting a piece to fit into the back of this particular frame. And then I'm just going to cut it with my scissors. I like this. This has like a white border. So it's like a black and white. It turned out so cute. Wait till you see it. Again, I'm using the cute little white Christmas tree. That was 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to glue little gems to each little branch so it looks like little Christmas balls. And I already had these little gems. I think I may have gotten them at Hobby Lobby. They come in a big box, a clear box, and they have different colors, different sizes. And I'm just going to use my glue gun to glue each one of them. I also had this like gold, it's like a gold twine, but it looks like metal, but it's not. It's probably just plastic. And I'm going to put that around the trunk of the tree. And again, you're just going to glue it back to your frame. And there it is. I think this one turned out cute too. These make great little gifts. How cute is this one? My daughter thought I bought it like this. I was like, no. All right, DIY number 4. As you can see, we are still going to be working with frames. This one is a box of Christmas cards that I got from Dollar Tree. It's this like navy blue and white with silver on the Christmas trees. It is so pretty. It is. So I have another. I'm using the glass in this one. The other ones, the Santa Claus I kept the glass in, but the Christmas trees I took the glass out. This one I'm putting the glass in and putting the card right over the glass. I also got this, it's like a glitter sheet of paper that is adhesive, and I'm going to cut it to fit the frame. It does have adhesive on it, but I do recommend putting a few glue dots or your glue gun in certain places just so that it keeps it there, especially if you're going to keep this from year to year. So as you can see, I'm just doing a couple dots on the frame. I'm going to pull the adhesive off and just place it right in the frame border. And you just do this all the way around the frame. This particular frame, it looks like it came from like a high-end store. It's so pretty. It just really the accent of the silver Christmas trees with the silver glitter. I think it looks very high-end. And to think that you made it and you can give it to one of your friends, it is such a great gift. I have this little floral that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a little like flower arrangement to the side of it, just to give it a little more texture and color so that it has a little green in it. And there it is. I think it turned out beautiful. Look at this. It is gorgeous. This is another one that I have. It's like a green frame, which I'm not going to do anything to because it's really a pretty frame that I got at Dollar Tree years ago. I'm just repurposing it. And I got this box of cards, which has got the little red truck on it. So this one's just simple. You don't have to paint it. It's quick and easy. I like the fact that it's got that little bit of gold on it. Look how cute this is. I'm just going to add some little decorations to the side. I'm using a little wreath, and then I'm going to use a little truck because it's the red truck Christmas card. Look how cute this is. I love the way this one turned out too. The green is pretty for Christmas. We've got the red truck. It says Merry Christmas. And here are all 5 of them. I love the way these turned out. It is such an easy craft to do. It makes a nice gift. I really hope that you appreciate this video and that you would hit the subscribe button and the like and also the notification bell so that you will know when I upload another video. But look how awesome and cute these frames are. They are adorable. And you can use your imagination and do different things with these frames. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.